Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how easily you can install a light fixture inside any room in your house. This is my children's learning area, so it's a little dim, so I'm going to be installing this adjustable, dimmable LED light fixture. As you can see, all the LED bulbs are there, and also you can change it from many different options such as the brightness, light color, and many other options on this product. If you're interested on this product, I'll leave the link down below. It's a very similar product with all the same features. It is also LED. If you look at the back, the light fixture has 3 wires on them. One is the hot wire, the neutral wire, and the ground wire. Now before you work on your light fixture, make sure you turn off the power from the main circuit breaker. Now this old light fixture that I have is connected by clips. As you can see, it's just 2 clips that's holding the face. Take off the light bulb, and with your screwdriver or your power drill, take off the screws and also detach the ground wire. Now I'm using here is the voltage detector from Milwaukee. I really love this tool. It saves my life every time. It just gives me peace of mind. As you can see here, it is blinking red. That means the power was on before I even turn off the circuit breaker. And now that the circuit breaker is off, there is no more power. Now take off the wire nuts connected onto the neutral wiring and the hot wire as well. Now use your wire stripper, and depending on what you have, sometimes these are already stripped by the manufacturer, but I decided to strip a little bit of extra just so that I can have extra wire exposed. Carefully locate where you want to put your ground wire. There I'm attaching the green ground wire screw. I attach the ground wire, and with your cordless drill or your cordless screwdriver, attach it on. And here are the wire nuts that I'll be using. I will be attaching the white to the neutral, which is the white, so just color match everything and then attach it with the wire nut. The same thing with the black hot wire. Okay, so everything's nicely connected. Double check everything, make sure it's connected. Now I'm gonna be attaching the screw first. This will make the job a lot easier instead of trying to hang the fixture up and then attaching the screws. This one, just attach it first and then you can easily slide it just like that. Now with your second screw, do the same thing on the other side to attach both screws. And then make sure it's nice and tight. Now you can finally put the face on and just turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Now turn back the power back from your circuit breaker, turn on the switch. Now you can finally test this with your remote. Look how it changes colors. You can change it back to the old color hue, and then you can change it to the 5K depending on what your preference is. So here's what the room looked like before with the old light fixture, and I'll show you what it looks like now. Once again friends, if you found value to this video, please hit that like button, press the subscribe button and notification bell so you can always be in tune of videos like this I put out each week. Thank you so much. Have a good day.